Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Green color, chocolate color, blue color, red color, pink color, yellow color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart and star. Now let's draw the shapes. Hexagon, next circle, next pentagon, next triangle, next kids heart, next star, now put the color. Green color, hexagon, next blue color, circle, next pink color, pentagon, next chocolate color, triangle, next red color, heart, next yellow color, star, what we learn? We learn green color, hexagon, blue color, circle, pink color, pentagon, chocolate color, triangle, red color, heart and yellow color, star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.